Okay, you think Trump's positioning himself to be some sort of dictator, an authoritarian ruler?
Yeah, I do. Then again, he's gonna take over Greenland, and then eventually he's gonna do something to, you know, I don't know, Sweden, Denmark, or whatever the other countries that are nearby, right?
They already have military bases in Greenland, so it wouldn't make any difference. The United States can do whatever they want in Greenland.
Given that the United States has already had military presence in Greenland dating all the way back to World War II, and that the Danish Prime Minister said this.
Det er vigtigt at holde fast i, at det på den ene side er godt, at der er en stigende amerikansk interesse for, hvad der foregår, også i Nordatlanten, også i det arktiske område, fordi nogle af de spændinger, vi ser i andre dele af verden, ja, de begynder også at komme til det arktiske område. Så jeg, som en meget, meget tæt allieret med USA, synes jeg, der er grund til at glæde sig over den stigende amerikanske interesse. Men det bliver nødt til at foregå på en måde, der er respektfuld over for det grønlandske folk, og vi bliver nødt til at kunne samarbejde på den måde, vi plejer at gøre det, blandt andet i NATO-sammenhæng og i andre internationale fora.
Why does Trump want to buy Greenland? And besides national security, what else is there beneath the frozen ice of the world's largest island?
A lot of people don't even know why he wants to.
He's saying it's for national security, like to be able to detect Russian naval ships in the Arctic, and then eventually as it melts for additional...
I believe he still has the resources without Greenland. I don't see why he needs Greenland to do that.